You will get to know the 10 good money habits that will make you rich this year. Watch this video till the end as all the money habits are very crucial for you to follow. Let's begin. Number 1. Formulate a strategic plan. Attaining millionaire status requires more than mere aspiration. It is essential to develop a detailed plan that explicitly outlines financial objectives, sets a feasible timeline, and incorporates a thorough budget. A well-structured plan is essential for maintaining focus and minimizing distractions that may impede progress. Establishing SMART goals is essential when formulating a financial plan. Monitoring your progress and establishing a clear direction can facilitate the achievement of financial success. The financial plan can be streamlined. Are you considering retirement without concerns regarding your financial obligations? Is early retirement of interest to you? Set a specific target for financial independence and work towards its attainment. Number 2. Consider initiating a supplementary business endeavor. Commence by identifying your passion and exploring methods to transform it into a lucrative enterprise. For example, an individual with a passion for photography may consider establishing a photography business as a viable option. My strong commitment to achieving debt freedom and personal improvement resulted in the establishment of financially well-off. It is now your responsibility to undertake analogous measures. Perform comprehensive analysis of the target market, competitive landscape, and prevailing trends. Ensuring adequate demand for a product or service is essential. Maintain simplicity. Social media provides a means to acquire valuable insights regarding competitors. It is unnecessary to invest in an expensive course. Although some online courses may offer time efficiency, it is crucial to recognize that most do not. Numerous online platforms, including YouTube, provide an extensive array of information. It is essential to monitor your progress consistently. For insights into effective financial strategies and wealth accumulation, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Number 3. Commit to ongoing self-investment. Self-investment is essential for wealth accumulation. A comprehensive understanding of diverse subjects can significantly enhance the likelihood of achieving financial success. Engage in reading literature, listening to podcasts, or enrolling in courses. However, do not accept superficial learning. It is imperative to initiate action. Significant results will not be achieved through content consumption alone. Below are several books that I have found to be quite enjoyable. Literature that offers significant insights for personal development and financial achievement encompasses Think and Grow Rich, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, The 4 Agreements, and Psychology of Money. If reading is not preferable, consider exploring audio alternatives. Experiencing difficulty in securing financial resources for book purchases? Obtain them from your local library. Alternatively, one may investigate the extensive information accessible via complimentary podcasts and online videos. It is essential to pursue education in financial matters. Number 4. Establish connections with individuals who possess comparable interests and objectives. Engaging with individuals who possess greater experience can enhance the learning process. Participate in meetups, engage in online groups, or develop a podcast to foster connections with individuals who share similar interests. It may be beneficial to invite influencers or other accomplished individuals to your podcast. Engaging with unfamiliar individuals may be daunting. However, it can produce beneficial outcomes. Interviews have constituted a significant component of my research. The internet offers access to a diverse array of potential audiences. We possess the capacity to engage with individuals who can offer significant experiences and opportunities. An alternative approach involves employing X to engage with individuals who possess comparable interests. Being in the presence of individuals who consistently pursue knowledge is essential. Choosing this path will facilitate mutual growth. The outcomes of seeking advice, whether online or in person, are generally comparable. Number 5. Request a salary increase. Requesting a salary increase presents challenges. However, it has the potential to substantially improve your earnings. Start by documenting your accomplishments throughout your employment period. Discuss how your achievements have positively influenced your department and organization. Providing specific statistics and numerical data, if available, would be beneficial. Subsequently, it is essential to evaluate the amount to be requested. On average, salary increases generally approximate 3%. Pay raises generally range from 4.5% to 5%, a figure regarded as favorable. Nonetheless, any values surpassing this range would be deemed exceptional. Requesting a salary increase of 10% to 20% may be justified, considering the rationale presented and the duration since the last adjustment. Ensure that your request for a salary increase is supported by robust justifications, particularly concerning your recent job performance. Receiving a negative response is the least favorable outcome. Number 6. Consider shifting to a profession that provides enhanced financial rewards and personal satisfaction. Should a request for a salary increase be unsuccessful, it may be prudent to consider alternative career trajectories. Making a significant career transition necessitates considerable effort. It also entails considerable risks and has the potential to cause substantial disruptions. Successful career transitions require commitment and perseverance. It is essential to remain receptive to undertaking small, feasible, and imperfect actions. Explore novel career trajectories free from prior assumptions. Approach the journey as a long-term endeavor rather than a short sprint. This perspective will facilitate the navigation of obstacles and challenges. Monitor job postings on platforms like LinkedIn and submit applications directly via the company's website. Although it may be viewed as conventional, drafting a cover letter warrants consideration. It is recommended to maintain 2 to 3 distinct resumes when applying for various positions. It is essential to emphasize your significant achievements pertinent to each position for which you are applying, rather than merely making superficial adjustments to your resume. Number 7. Avoiding debt is essential for sustaining financial stability. Avoiding debt is crucial for wealth accumulation. High interest rates and fees present considerable obstacles to effective saving and investing. Prioritizing the repayment of outstanding debts, particularly credit card debt, is recommended at the earliest opportunity. Other debts, including mortgages, can be managed effectively. Monitoring your expenses facilitates the allocation of funds for investment activities. Individuals who often engage in impulsive buying may benefit from adopting the 30-day rule. This guideline suggests that if one is contemplating a purchase, it is advisable to retain the item in the shopping cart for a duration of 1 month. Should you choose to continue with the purchase after 30 days, ensure that you possess the requisite funds and refrain from depending on a credit card. Timely payment of bills is essential for maintaining a favorable credit score and avoiding the accumulation of additional debt. It is essential to allocate resources for unexpected expenditures. Number 8. Begin saving at the earliest opportunity in your life. Initiating savings at an early stage will enhance the potential for maximizing returns. Contributing $25 to $50 weekly can yield a substantial impact. This totals $1,200 per year, equating to $2,400 annually. To achieve financial independence, it is essential to prioritize maximizing savings. Establishing an emergency fund and a savings account is essential. This account facilitates the management of unforeseen expenses, allowing you to preserve your other savings. Automatic transfers facilitate consistent savings. Numerous banks offer this feature without charge, however. It is essential to possess a clear understanding of one's budget beforehand. Number 9. Begin allocating funds for retirement savings. Consider the scenario of initiating investments in a 401k account at the age of 25. Initiate with an initial investment of $1,000 in a diversified stock portfolio, which yields an average annual compound return of 7%. Contributing $7,000 annually to this portfolio may yield approximately $700,000 after a period of 40 years. It is essential to recognize that the employer's match, if relevant, is excluded from this calculation. Investing at the age of 35 may result in an accumulation of approximately $500,000. This represents a notable reduction of $200,000. Compound interest exhibits significant potency. Consider the option of investing in a retirement account offered by your employer or establishing one independently. Online platforms like Vanguard and Betterment can provide assistance in this regard. Number 10. Avoid the attempt to match the pace of others. Resisting the inclination to conform to the lifestyles of others can prove challenging when endeavoring to adhere to a budget. The observation of others engaging in excessive spending can elicit a significant inclination to emulate such behavior. Attempting to replicate their spending habits may lead to significant financial repercussions. Redirect your focus from incessant comparisons with others to prioritizing your financial objectives in order to mitigate unnecessary expenditures. Evaluate your specific needs and distribute your resources appropriately. Defining clear financial objectives is essential. This represents the initial point. Clear and significant goals reduce the likelihood of impulsive spending and the desire to conform to others' financial behaviors. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button if you want to know more amazing tips and secrets to become rich this year.